Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve webcam issues in Windows 11. Run Diagnostics with Dell SupportAssist. Search and select SupportAssist. From the SupportAssist homepage, click the Troubleshooting tab and expand I want to troubleshoot my PC. Select I want to check a specific piece of hardware, and after the hardware list loads, look under Camera Devices and click on Camera to initiate a hardware scan. After the series of tests has run, try out your webcam. Check camera settings to give your apps permission. Open Settings and go into Privacy and Security. Scroll down to App Permissions and click on Camera. Make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is turned on and review the list of items. Toggle them on or off depending on which ones you would like to have access to the camera. Some antivirus and security software can prevent apps from accessing the webcam. Look in their settings for privacy and permissions that disallow access to your camera. Enable the webcam in BIOS. Turn on or restart the computer. At the Dell logo screen, press the F2 key repeatedly until you enter the BIOS or system setup. For BIOS versions from 2021 or newer, on the left-hand side panel, select Integrated Devices and make sure Enable Camera is ticked. For systems with BIOS versions prior to 2021, expand System Configuration and select Miscellaneous Devices and make sure Enable Camera is ticked. As the BIOS interface varies depending on your system, you can check your Dell Service Manual for product-specific information. Watch our video on how to find your Dell Service Manual online. Use Dell SupportAssist to optimize your computer. Search and select SupportAssist. Within the SupportAssist Home tab, expand the page to reveal the performance test options. Click the Run All button to run through all 5 tests. If any new drivers are available, click on Update under Get Drivers and Downloads. Then click on Install. Wait for SupportAssist to download and install the updates, and once completed, restart your PC. Check the webcam drivers from within the Device Manager. Search and select Device Manager. Expand Cameras and look for your webcam. If it's not shown, click on Action at the top of the screen, and from the menu, select Scan for Hardware Changes. Windows will scan and reinstall any updated drivers. Once finished, restart the computer and test the webcam. If this didn't resolve the issue, return to the Device Manager and back under Cameras, right-click on the webcam. Select Properties, and within the Driver tab, click on Uninstall Device and then click Uninstall. With that done, click on Action and select Scan for Hardware Changes again. After the updated drivers are reinstalled, restart the computer and test the webcam. If you still need help with your webcam or have any questions, contact us on social media so we can further assist you. Subscribe to our channel for even more support tutorials and check out the Dell Community Forum for answers to commonly asked questions. Thanks for watching.